What is a sign contractor bond? A sign contractor bond is a type of surety bond required by the city of Midland, Texas, for individuals or businesses engaged in sign contracting work within the city limits. Essentially, it's a form of protection for the city and its residents. How does it work? Let's say you're a sign contractor working on a project in Midland. As part of the regulations, you're required to obtain a sign contractor bond. This bond acts as a guarantee that you will abide by all the laws, rules, and regulations related to sign contracting in the city. If you fail to comply with these obligations, someone can file a claim against your bond. If a valid claim is made against your bond, the surety company that issued the bond will investigate it. If the claim is found to be legitimate and you are at fault, the surety will compensate the harmed party up to the bond's limit, which in this case is $5,000. However, it's important to note that you, as the contractor, are ultimately responsible for repaying the surety for any claims paid out. Why is it required? The primary purpose of requiring sign contractors to obtain a bond is to protect the interests of the city and its residents. By having a bond in place, the city can ensure that contractors operate ethically and in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Additionally, requiring a bond helps instill confidence in consumers who hire sign contractors. It gives them peace of mind, knowing that there's a financial safety net in place in case something goes wrong with the contractor's work. Benefits of having a sign contractor bond include legal compliance. By obtaining a bond, you're ensuring that you comply with all legal requirements for operating as a sign contractor in Midland, Texas. Consumer confidence. Having a bond in place can help build trust with potential clients, as it demonstrates your commitment to ethical business practices and accountability. Protection for the city. A bond provides financial protection for the city and its residents in the event that you fail to fulfill your obligations as a sign contractor. Professionalism. Obtaining a bond shows that you're a serious and professional sign contractor who takes their responsibilities seriously. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.